ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देव महेश्वरा गुरुर साक्षात पार ब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। हेलो एवरीवन, दिस इज़ प्रियंका और स्वागत है आप सभी का मेरे चैनल पर। अभी मैंने एक श्लोक बोला था जो हमने आमतौर पर अपनी ज़िंदगी में कभी ना कभी स्पेशली स्कूल्स में बहुत बोला हुआ होता है या कभी कहीं सुना हुआ होता है, जिसमें हमें बताते हैं गुरु ब्रह्मा है, महेश है, शिव है, ये सब है और उनकी क्या इम्पोर्टेंस होती है। लेकिन क्या सिर्फ श्लोक बोलने से या कुछ बातें करने से हम उन लोग की रिस्पेक्ट कर लेते हैं? कल के समय में, यानी मैं बात करूं तो कोविड के समय में, जहां सारी बिल्डिंग्स बंद थी, सारा इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर से लेकर सारा काम रुका पड़ा था, अलग अलग जगहों का, अलग अलग चीज़ों का, कोई भी कॉरपोरेट वर्ड ले लीजिए, कुछ भी। लेकिन आपके टीचर्स, उनके लिए तो जैसे मानो कुछ नहीं बदला तो उनके ऊपर और मेहनत। जो लोग इस टेक्नोलॉजी से बिल्कुल फेमिलियर नहीं थे, अगर हम बात करें कुछ लोगों की, तो उन्हें आप लोगों के लिए डबल मेहनत करनी पड़ी। रुके तो कौन नहीं, आपके टीचर्स। तो क्या हमारा एक छोटा सा फ़र्ज नहीं बनता कि हम उन लोगों की रिस्पेक्ट करें? ना कि सिर्फ इतना कि वो इतना करते हैं कि वो हमारे जीवन में एक बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट हिस्सा है। वो हमारी लाइफ में हमारे लिए एक बहुत बड़ा अपनी चीज़ें सेक्रीफाइस करते हैं कहीं ना कहीं पॉइंट पे। अगर देखिए एग्जाम्पल से लीजिए, अगर किसी का हमारा मन नहीं होता तो हम क्लासेस नहीं लेते, या हमारा मन जो भी होता है उसके हिसाब से। लेकिन क्या कभी एक टीचर, एक शिक्षक सिर्फ अपने कुछ कारणों की वजह से सैकड़ों बच्चों का नुकसान करता है? कभी नहीं। कहते हैं ना कि दे डोंट जस्ट टीच, दे इंस्पायर अस। वो हमें इंस्पायर करते हैं। तो हम लोग सिर्फ स्लैब्स को या अलग अलग लोगों को हीरोज़ कंसिडर कर लेते हैं, उनको फेमस रिवॉर्ड दे देते हैं, एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा। बट हम कभी अपने टीचर्स की याद सिर्फ हमें कब आती है? टीचर्स डे पे। वो भी हैप्पी टीचर्स डे मैम, एंड देन आफ्टर बिफोर दैट don't know where that respect gone and where that everything just disappear, or I can say that vanish. So at least think, if they stop working or if they will also just back off from their work, what will happen in this world? Because teachers are the, what can I say, that the backbone of our education system also, because it is the only profession that creates other profession. तौर पर मैं हर संडे को कुछ ना कुछ व्लॉग करती हूँ, तो मैंने सोचा कि इस बार हम उनको बात क्यों नहीं करते कि जिनके बारे में ज़्यादातर लोग बात ही नहीं करते। उन्हें लगता है कि भाई ये काम तो बहुत इजी है। वर्क फ्रॉम होम का क्या कंसिडर्ड होता है, क्या कॉन्सेप्ट होता है? फाइल्स ली एंड देन उसे पेस्ट करा, कट कॉपी करा एंड देन कंटेंट डिलीवर कर दिया। आधे लोगों को ये भी लगता है कहीं ना कहीं, मैं ये नहीं कह रही हूँ सारे लोगों को लगता है। देयर आर मेनी पीपल हु अप्रिशिएट देयर एफर्ट। बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो अप्रिशिएट करते हैं, क्योंकि एक अप्रिशिएशन बहुत मैटर करता है हर किसी की ज़िंदगी में, ना फिर टीचर्स की, ना स्टूडेंट्स की, हर किसी की लाइफ में एक अप्रिशिएशन बहुत ज़्यादा मैटर करता है। लेकिन आज हम क्या उन लोगों की लाइफ में जो उनका डे प्लान होता है, उन लोग कितने सेक्रीफाइस करते हैं? तो आज की वीडियो में हम जानेंगे कि बेसिकली जो टिपिकल डे होता है टीचर की लाइफ में, वो क्या होता है।
The best teachers are those who show you where to look, but don't tell you what you have to see. Teachers are referred to as a second God. Being a teacher is in itself a matter of pride and self-motivation. It takes a lot of patience and courage to choose such a profession and go ahead with it. A teacher is known to be a selfless figure who put in all the efforts to teach their students all the knowledge and that they have gained in their entire life. Thinking of spending even a single day in the life of a teacher is in itself quite challenging and a task to be accomplished. The profession of teaching brings along numerous responsibility, because he is the one who is indirectly responsible for the future of their students. See the life of a teacher. Sometimes as it is rewarding, it can be also frustrating as well as stressful. when dealing with unmotivated student, large class, heavy workload. Most significantly, teacher will sometimes deal with the unruly behavior and violence from the student. Just as they wake up, they have to run for the early morning race, the race with time and self. Waking up too early, getting dressed perfectly, reaching on time, and never losing temper. The few most important things that one needs to abide by all times. A teacher should be one such being whom the students can look up to. A teacher should be a role model for his or her student. Being the holder of such position, one doesn't have an alternative other than to fulfill its demand. Reaching the school on time, a teacher has to keep track of the syllabus and the schedule for various different classes that he and she has been allotted. Teaching student moral values and possessing them on your own are their own feelings that inform the task of a teacher. Talking practically, it becomes difficult to handle a notorious child even for a while. Hats off to the teacher who are expected to handle an entire class of a huge number of a student at all once. Just like the fingers of a hands are not the same size, neither all the students are similar. Fortunately, a teacher might be getting a few sincere, innocent students in her class, but the majority will always be compromised of the naughty ones. Handling such student of different age group is a task almost next to impossible. Along with being friends with patients, a teacher needs to have a good throat as well as giving lectures to the student an entire day, shouting at the mischievous behavior of the student, and then having conversation with the fellow teachers and the parents of the student all demands a marvelous throat. One cannot be tired or refuse to answer any questions irrespective of what the teacher is going through. It is the only in the lunch break when a teacher can feed himself or herself. Even if by chance a teacher get a free period, maybe he or she is not spared by the any authorities. There are such a number of papers to be graded and assignments to be prepared that the teacher is left with no time to breathe. During the last few hours of the school, both the students and the teachers get so tired that neither of them wishes to get back to all the hard work again. But a teacher can't afford to wish for any spare time. They had to get the courage accepting the tiredness of the student, and it becomes more difficult to gather the attention and interest of the student. Students get the golden opportunity to rush back their homes once the school hours get over and take a sigh of relief. But while the teachers are never fortunate enough, they have to finish up their extra classes and extra duties they have assigned. And after finishing all the work, teachers are allowed to get back to their place of peace in the late afternoon. Although they are allowed to take a sigh of relief, but the work never gets finished. The concept of work from home continue to run behind. Teachers have to prepare the subject matter for the next day. And after finishing the task of today, they have to begin with their preparations for tomorrow. And then, after a short sleep, come the next morning with full of similar activities of the previous day. Even though the regular days of a teacher are quite monotonous, teachers seem to enjoy each year of life that they selflessly dedicated to knowledge and learning. The innocent activities of the young children, the small fights of youngsters cry over, sincerity, honesty in the eyes of students, all make up their frustration and tiredness of the regular days. Heads off to all the teachers. Let's make it habit to salute and respect all our teachers who have put in all that they ever could to make us what we are today. Let's thank to all our teacher for making us all able and confident to stand high on our own feet. कहते हैं ना कि teacher can change life with just the right mix of chalk and challenges. They matters a lot in our life because its purpose is not to create student in his own image, but to develop the student who can create their own image. Rather than explaining concept through large boring lectures in a technical way, they make their class exciting and fun. They are the most closest companion of the children. They make learning easier by connecting different subjects to real life situations. They cite examples and demonstrate how the most difficult topics can easily be understood by relating to everyday life and how it can be useful in the future. They encourage students to grow more as they often look to their teachers for the things to be approved. Words of appreciation like come on, good job, well done, keep it up, wonder in the encouragement of the student. And these writes what means a lot in their life. Whenever we fail, they stand with us, encourage us, and boost our confidence until we succeed again. They always show us the best path in our life. They always try to help student beyond their capabilities. कहते हैं ना कि एक अच्छा शिक्षक ज़िंदगी में कुछ लेसन्स लाइफ लेसन सिखा के जाता है तो वो ज़िंदगी भर याद रहते हैं. What we become in life depends on the good education by our teacher. From an unshaped stone, they make a beautiful statue. A child, when comes in this world, knows nothing. He learns everything from the environment and society. From the teacher, he gains knowledge and education, which isn't possible if there is no guidance provided. Just like our parents, teachers are also important in our life. They teach us wisdom in doing everything. They give us moral support and encourage us to live equally in the society and treat everyone equally. They not only teach us the importance of life, but they also show us the right track to ensure that we are capable enough to survive in the society. A teacher is not only the person who teaches syllabus to the student, right from preschooling to colleges and university, they play an essential role. इसे कहना सही होगा कि जो टीचर्स होते हैं वो हमारी ज़िंदगी में एक रोल मॉडल की तरह प्ले करते हैं, हमारे एक आदर्श बनते हैं. बिफोर गोइंग टू द क्लासरूम वी ग्रीट देम, पे रिगार्ड्स एंड शो रिस्पेक्ट टू देम, एंड बियॉन्ड दैट teachers serve many other roles in the classroom. They set a tone of the school, mentor and teach children and nurture them well. That's why the role of teacher as a moral guide is critical in one's life. Technology is just a tool in terms of getting the kids to work together and motivating them. The teacher is the most important one. There is a famous quote which was said by the Malala Yousafzai: one book, one pen, one child, and one teacher can change the entire world. Thank you to all the teachers who support us in any way. I'm not talking about the academics or not talking about the particular sports event. I'm talking about a teacher. Teacher can be anyone, your friend, your mentor, your family members. Anyone can be your teacher who teach you a most important valuable lessons of your life, who support you always. Because what a teacher writes on the blackboard of life can never be erased.
तो ये था टीचर्स की लाइफ में क्या टिपिकल डे होता है या उनका दिन कैसा होता है. अब आप सोचिए कि उन लोगों को कितना एफर्ट करने पड़ते हैं सिर्फ हमारा एक टॉपिक क्लियर करने के लिए, हमें एक अच्छा कंटेंट देने के लिए, हमें एक अच्छा भविष्य देने के लिए. एक टीचर का, एक शिक्षक का बहुत ज़्यादा अहम योगदान होता है और आजकल के दौरान तो काफ़ी ज़्यादा हमें उन्हें अप्रिशिएट करना चाहिए. दे आर ऑल्सो द रियल हीरोज़ अमंग अदर्स. अब मेरे कुछ स्टूडेंट्स हैं, वो भी कुछ अपने व्यूज़ एक्सप्रेस करना चाहते हैं रिगार्डिंग दिस टॉपिक, दैट वाई टीचर्स आर इम्पॉर्टेंट इन आवर सोसाइटी. टीचर्स क्यों इम्पॉर्टेंट है हमारी सोसाइटी में, तो आप लोग उनके व्यूज़ ज़रूर सुनिएगा. और अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगे तो एंड तक ज़रूर देखिए, उनके व्यूज़ ज़रूर सुनिए. और कमेंट सेक्शन में आप मुझे, जो भी इस वीडियो को देख रहे हैं, जो भी व्यूअर्स हैं इस वीडियो को देखने वाले, मुझे हमें एक लाइन बताइए कि आपके लिए टीचर्स क्यों इम्पोर्टेंट है सोसाइटी में, या फिर एक ऐसा टीचर कौन था जिसने आपको इंस्पायर करा और जिसने आपकी लाइफ पूरी बदल के रख दी.
Your best teacher is your last mistake. As you all know that the coronavirus pandemic situation is happening. So our teachers are doing very hard work. So, the teachers are the very important person in our society. They treat the student like their own children. The few teachers that inspires me, name I'm going to tell that Priyanka ma'am, Rashmi ma'am, Anita ma'am, Charu ma'am. They all always inspires me. They tell me good habits, how to behave and teach properly, and they clear my all doubts very and in a friendly manner. Thank you.
Teachers are the most important member in our society. They give children purpose, set them up for their success as citizens of our world and inspire in them to do well and success in life. These children are the leader of tomorrow, and the teachers are the critical point that make children ready for their future. Teachers are very hardworking and teachers always think our good. Thank you.
A teacher is very important in the society. A teacher helps a student to become a better version of themselves. A teacher inspires students to think big, do big, and dream big. My favorite teacher is Vandana ma'am because she believes in the beauty of our dreams and she inspires us to give something back to the society.
Teacher is important for everyone's life. Without teacher, we cannot get success in our life. Teacher educate people and people make society. My favorite Charu ma'am is my favorite teacher. She always inspire me. She give full attention to all student in the class. Thank you. A teacher is a star who teaches others how to shine. Thank you.
The most important person in our life that are teacher. The teacher tell about moral values. My favorite teacher name is Abhishek Khanal sir, who teach me maths. He is also my tuition teacher. He teaches well. Thank you.
Are the role model of society. They are helpful us to providing a better understanding to a child about a subject. A good teacher always became a good person or a good citizen in the society. My Priyanka ma'am is my favorite teacher because if we do any mistake, so she's never angry with us. She tells us about with a pretty voice, and she is very beautiful also.
Hello everyone, this is Jignesh Kirase and today I am going to speak a few lines on my favorite teachers. My favorite teachers are Priyanka ma'am and as well as Abhishek sir. They both are the best teachers, and what I love about them is that they always help me to clear each and every concept very clearly and never stay behind to help me whenever I need their help. They are the best teachers and have no competition to compete with. Thank you ma'am and sir to always being there for me. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Ananya Grace, class 2nd B, and today I am going to speak some lines on my